Hello and welcome to Smith's Nissan in Peterborough. Here we have a 2021 Nissan Qashqai 1.3 Dig T Premier Edition. It's a petrol manual. This vehicle is a Nissan Intelligent Choice approved used car, which means you get a minimum of 12 months, manufacturer approved warranty, 12 months RT breakdown cover, a multiple inspection by Nissan trained technicians and a full history check. We can also offer a full range of finance packages to meet your requirements. Let's take a look around the car. Here we are up front, we have LED headlights, front parking sensors, and a front camera. Coming down to the passenger side front wheel. This car comes with 360-degree cameras, rear privacy glass. Coming down to the rear wheel. Coming around to the back, we have rear parking sensors and a reversing camera. Let's take a look inside the boot. Coming down to the driver's side rear wheel. Let's take a look inside the rear. Inside we have cloth interior. Rear ventilation, 2 USB charging ports, and a glass roof. Let's take a look inside the front. Here we have the infotainment screen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, climate controls, wireless charging pad, electronic handbrake, a leather steering wheel, and a heads-up display. Coming down to the driver's side front wheel, and back round to the front. Thank you for watching this video.